Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to bring you along for the ride of me taking my client Janae, I call her Janae, her name is Erin, through her second blonding session to kick out the rest of the brass and get everything perfect and actually get her to her goal hair. This is a blonding video, but no two blondes are the same, like I always say. So without further ado, if you want to see this, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'll be doing my second full baby light on my client Janae. As you guys know, highlighting and baby lighting does consist of weaving out a section and leaving a dropout part. Depending on what kind of look you're trying to achieve will dictate how large or small your subsections will be. What I love about highlighting is that it's actually way healthier than going in and applying lightener all over every single piece of hair. When you really think about it, you're only foiling half of the hair or less when you highlight, depending on how much subsection you're leaving out. Janae has been very unhappy with her prior sessions and prior stylist. Reason being, they could never, and I mean never, get her lighter no matter how many sessions they were doing. Our first session took place exactly 6 weeks ago from today, and we broke through a ton of brass and even things out a bunch. But today I'm going to go back in and do some more heavy lifting, kicking through the rest of the brass that were left from our past session.
Got off the wires when I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you, yeah. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired. It's just fired.
So today I'm using Oxycur with 20 volume and Olaplex, of course, as always. I decided to start foiling in the front, which I do very way less than starting in the back. Reason being, I've done her hair before, now I know how it lifts, and Janae's end goal is all over white blonde. I want to keep her as bright as possible around the face. During this session, Janae also told me how much she appreciated my honesty on how damaging lightener can be. Today we have Olaplex and B3 and all these lighteners with built-in bond builders and so on. And yes, it allows us to push the hair a little bit further, but the truth of the matter is blonde is damaging. And we have to remember, the lighter we get, the closer to the white blonde goal she wants, the more her hair is prone to breaking, dryness, and a ton of damage. Blonde isn't for everyone, especially white blonde. It must be babied and cared for constantly. It's also way pricier. Just the products alone for aftercare can be pricey. Blonde isn't for everyone, and that's why it is so wanted. You have also probably noticed when applying my lightener on each foil, I apply it differently. I'm not just going throughout and applying from roots to end. I am more so focusing on dark pieces that are still left in the hair and focusing primarily on the roots and mids. If the ends are already white blonde, I just gently kick them out of the foil, pushing them aside and folding them up like normal.
I was wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom, don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you begin. With my music again and again. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired. I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you just fired. I see fired. I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired.
Today we will be doing just a slight root tap. My go-to formula when tapping varies from client to client, but today for Janae I will be using Goldwell Colorance 9N9NA. This formula will just remove foil lines and blend everything together, but still keep her very blonde and very bright the entire way up. For my all-over toner, I'll be using my favorite bright icy toner, which is Goldwell Colorance 10V, 10P, and 10BS.
I got off the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you. I see you, yeah. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired.
Well, there you guys have it. Another tutorial is now in the history books. Janae's hair came out way better than I expected. One more session and it should be perfect. Feel free to leave video ideas down below and don't forget to subscribe. I can't thank you guys enough for the love and support. Until next time guys, so long for now.